When you're a father, the whole game changes, yeah? Or when you're a parent. And I can't help but think of my own father and how hard he worked so that we would never forget where we came from. And as a parent, especially on the mainland, I never want to have my children forget. So this is a song that I've composed, and I call it A Father's Love. And it goes a little like this. Daddy came from a small town on an island by the sea. He never told me what this life was all about. Instead, he showed me always was a song in his heart that he sang to those in need. If Daddy's actions were his words from afar, then I know this is what he said to me. Follow your heart, keep a smile on your face, know that I will always love you, and when I'm gone, carry on, my son. Funny how the time passes by so fast. Now I'm a dad, playing catch and rolling forever in the grass, like the memories we had. And on days when I can't find the rainbow's end, this is when I think of you. The memories play like a movie in my head, seeing you, showing me what I must do. Follow your heart, keep a smile on your face, know that I will always love you, and when I'm gone, carry on, my son. Now I tell you boys, before I leave this earth, it's much for you to see. Don't forget the past that led you to your birth, and be who you want to be. And when the day arrives, the day I close my eyes, forever know that I'll be here with you. And when that day comes, I say to you, my sons, the words my father shared with me. Follow your heart, keep a smile on your face, know that I will always love you, and when I'm gone, carry on, my sons. Oh, when I'm gone, carry on, my son.